customer here is having product come in on Wednesday. They gave us the order to install this pallet rack system. These are 12-foot high by 42-inch deep uprights with 9-foot long beams, teardrop style with wire decking. So we got the order Friday, got the material shipped over the weekend. We started putting it up, and here on Monday morning we're finished with the job. You can see we used our pallet rack protectors on every upright that would be subject to forklift damage, and we've got our rack end protection kits on the end. These are 18-inch high, 42-inch deep. Another quality install.